TrueCare continues to innovate to help older folks in our area live life like most would like to. For many folks, staying right at home. Brian wants to tell us more about TrueCare Seniors, which is, to my knowledge, kind of the way you guys all started, was this great service.
That's exactly right. How it started was that my real job is as a lawyer, and I had clients that were needing assistance in their homes. Kids weren't around or kids weren't engaged, and I was going into the community finding people to provide assistance to my clients. Not as a business, but after you do that several times, you realize there is a real need, especially now, the time of holiday. That's when people really recognize that they're coming home and seeing mom and dad. So that need that I saw with my clients evolved into TrueCare. And so now we do provide care for seniors in 5 counties, Allen, DeKalb, Noble, Steuben, and Whitley counties. And what our care providers do, they go into the homes of our clients, the private homes, and provide any level of care that they may need. It may be as simple as companionship, literally just engaging with someone, checking in on them, making sure everything's appropriate. If they see something a little askew, they would reach out to the family member, let them know what was going on. So it's as simple as companionship up to bathing and grooming, taking them to doctor's appointments, doing any of those types of things, preparing meals and making sure that the folks are eating appropriately. If an individual needs to be reminded to take their medications, my care providers would assist in reminding them and taking their medications. So it's just as you were saying as the lead-in, at the lead-in, Dirk, it's allowing people to remain independent in their own homes. It is not about transitioning out to a different facility or something like that. It's keeping them home. And it may just be a few hours a day or a few hours a week that they need in order to remain maintain that independence. It doesn't mean that we need to be there every day.
And you do a great job of pairing people with, at least some like interests, just so that mom, dad feels comfortable.
Of course. What we normally do at the very beginning is we meet with the client that we're going to be working with, and we find out some of their likes and activities that they may enjoy. And then we look at our employees, our care providers, and we're looking at folks that would match with them very well. Typically, we are having mature care providers into our client homes, and we're pairing activities, we're pairing personalities to make sure that it's a good fit. If for some reason it isn't a good fit, of course, we'll bring another care provider in that is most definitely an excellent fit for each of our clients.
And the level of care is customizable to the individual, right? Or the family that, needs your help.
Yes. Whatever the client may need, we're shaping our care to their particular needs. It's very custom. That's exactly correct. One individual may, as I was saying earlier, may just want companionship. Another individual may need a very high level of personal care that my staff would be able to provide to them. So it is very customizable and changing. So on day one that we're there, the client may need a particular type of care. 3 or 4 days go by and they may need something else. We're nimble enough, we can accommodate that and make sure that we're satisfying all of their personal needs.
And in the past, as you continue to grow, you've always talked about the need for more caregivers too.
Always a need for excellent caregivers. As I say, we staff in those 5 counties. We're always looking for caregivers that are mature, are able to drive and see our clients and have that caregiver's heart. I can teach all the skills, my staff can teach all the skills to the care providers, but you have to have that caregiver's heart to be going into the home of a senior.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference in the level of care that you'll receive, your loved ones receive. If you want to learn more, head over to their webpage. It's real simple. It's www.true.care. That's it, true.care, or you see the number on the screen. We'll be right back on Insight.